Welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea. Today is an open collaboration. I'll talk to you about that a little later. But for now, I have this Merry Christmas and it's pretty glittery. So I'm going to give it one coat with black chalk paint and I'm going to do that to the entire piece. It's pretty glittery and we need to get rid of that. So once this whole entire piece is completely covered, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to come in with white chalk paint and then I will be covering the front and the back. And today is an open collaboration called Just Our Imagination, and it is being hosted by KathyJoDIY and Brenda Rustic and LaceDIY. And the challenge is we have to create or decorate a Christmas tree. We have to use a crate and cookie cutters. Last summer I found a crate and here it is. I made this crate last year in a different video. I'm going to leave that video linked down in my description box so you could go ahead and see the whole video how I created this. In the meantime, I added the Merry Christmas and here is a tree. I'm going to put inside this beautiful flocked tree. I already added the lights and I am going to start putting some cookie cutters as ornaments as well as some other Christmas ornaments. And again, guys, please don't forget to visit these creators. Their links directly to their channels will be down in my description box along with a playlist. Please make sure to subscribe, share, and like to all of their channels. And don't forget to check out the video down below on how I created this crate. And now for the final reveal. And now for the second project. I have this clay from Dollar Tree. I took a piece, I flattened it out as best as possible. I'll be making 2 ginger ale cookies. And I also waited a couple of days for this clay to get hardened. I'm going to put these ginger ale cookies to the side, and I also have this air clay also from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and start using these smaller cookie cutters. I purchased these at Michael at a $5 grab bag years ago, so I'm going to use several of them. And because we have to use cookie cutters and we have to create a Christmas tree, well, it's all coming together, these projects. And as you can see, the air clay is already flattened out. I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to paint the clay. So I'm gonna be using the red, the light mocha, brown, and green. And once I'm done painting all the pieces, then I'll start decorating it with some puffy white paint. And I will also be using some glitter paint in red and in gold. So now it's time to decorate the ginger ale cookies with some puffy paint. So those cookie cutter ornaments, I left them overnight, and now I have these trees. Of course, they're from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna tie both of them together so they could be more fluffier, and I'm gonna tie them with these plastic tiger ties. And then the ginger ale cookies along with some more Christmas ornaments, I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating it. And I also have a beautiful bucket that I'm repurposing, and this is also from Dollar Tree. So now let's go ahead and decorate this beautiful little tree, and you must tell me in the comment section your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this. And for the star, all I did was use one of those wooden stars from Dollar Tree. I'm using some silver metallic paint and I'm giving it one coat to the entire star. And once that is done, all I did was grab a little bit of hot glue and glued it to the top of the tree. And this is it for this beautiful project. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna take these little cutting boards and I'm gonna give it one coat with this Mod Podge. To speed the process, I'm gonna go ahead and help it with some heat. And once that is done, I took this tissue paper and I placed it right on top of the cutting board. And now with some heat, I'm gonna go ahead and activate that Mod Podge. And once that is completely adhered and off camera, I took a sandblock and I removed all the excess tissue off. And now I'm gonna go ahead and with this little string here, I'm gonna go ahead and put it through this little hole so like that we could have something to hang it on the wall. So this will be our hook. And with the same decorative string, I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating the cutting board as well. And you remember this cookie from the beginning of the video? Well, with plenty of hot glue, I'm gonna place it right on top of this cutting board. Look at how beautiful. Off camera, I added more of that decorative string in the bottom of the cutting board. I'm gonna be doing the same thing to the second one, but this one, I'm gonna use this solid tissue and it is green. And look at Diva, look at her. And if this is your first time stopping by, this is my little girl Diva. She is going to be, oh my goodness, almost 12 years old. She is adorable and she is a rescue cat. I rescued her when she was 1 year and 8 months and she's been my partner since then. So now the tissue is adhered to the cutting board, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut all of this off and then I'm gonna come in with that sand block and finish sanding the rest of the tissue off. And now it's time to decorate it. I'm gonna decorate it similar to the first one. I wanna take a moment to express my gratitude to you for sticking around until the very end of my video, especially if you are new here. Please consider subscribing. Don't forget that notification button. Like that, you will be notified every time I upload a video. Remember that these subscriptions are completely free. And to my return subscribers, you guys know I love you. Thank you for all the support that you give me. And also don't forget to visit the playlist down below along with the host, Kathy Jo and Brenda. And now for the final review. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Adios.